Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Rhonda. Thank you so very much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I appreciate each and every one of you for taking time to stop by and watch my videos. It really means so much to me. And I have my Ipsy Plus. This is a $25 $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. They do allow you now to choose 3 of your products on the 2nd of every month. They have recently started the Ipsy X, so this will be, if you upgrade and you want to try the Ipsy X, I think is what it's called, you get this 2 months, and then on the 3rd month you would get the Ipsy X at like $30 extra, and you would get 8, it's supposed to be really good products. I went ahead and upgraded because at the time they were giving away a full-size 111 skin. I forget what it was, but it was one of the really nice moisturizers that I know I like, for free, and I wanted to go ahead and try the bags. So let's see what is in here. So they almost always come in the big envelope like this. I have seen them, which I was going to say come in the box, but I think since they started doing it in the other bags that they've always came in these. So they do come in these drawstring bags now. This is this month. It says Dream. So let me pull the products out so I make sure I don't break anything. So the first product is actually going to be a giveaway to one of you all. I'm going to put some other things together, and I will be starting a giveaway soon. Actually, probably 2 or 3 of them. Y'all probably remember that I got this. I'm just going to show you all in case you don't remember. See how pretty that is? I got this a couple months ago, so this will be for one of you all. I wish I had money to give something to everyone, and hopefully eventually I will be able to have enough giveaways that one of these days I will have been able to give everyone something. I know that's probably not possible unless I never grow as a channel, but you know what I mean. We all want to grow. So that retails for $65. It is, let's see, from soft and hazy to full-blown drama. This palette is curated with 8 shades for every type of smoky eye. The mix of matte neutrals and high shine metallics are super pigmented, plus the highlighter is great on lids and cheekbones. How to use. Use the top of the palette to build the base of your look, then layer on the metallics for instant dimension. It's all cruelty free. Their collection of high fashion hues and next gen formulations inspire all to express their unique beauty. So $65, and that's, like I said, that will be, I will be starting a giveaway. I'm going to decide what else to put with that, and we'll probably you know what? I think I will go ahead and start the giveaway with this, and I will decide on what else to add with it. So leave your comments below, and I'm going to pick from this video who's going to win this. And I mean, I'm not going to send somebody just a palette. I mean, that is still a good giveaway, but I will decide what else to send with that. So leave comments below, and I will decide. Let me think about how to do it, because I know different people do them different ways to make sure that the right person actually wins, and not just somebody who shows up on a channel that doesn't actually support the channel. So, I mean, of course you have to be subscribed. I don't know of anybody who doesn't require that you be subscribed to their channel, and even that, I know some people were saying that people subscribe just to win and they unsubscribe, and I mean, you can't control that. That's just people. I think that's wrong. I would never subscribe to somebody's channel just to win something and then unsubscribe. I would just never do that, because that's just wrong.
Most people don't even care about these other people making money on YouTube from getting subscribers.
I would never do that to somebody. That's just to me, that's wrong. That's just, if you, to me, I would even expect that someone that is more loyal to the channel and actually subscribed and watches should win the giveaway. But I'm not everybody else, and I know a lot of people have told me that people have subscribed to their channels just to win, and then they notice after they call the winner, they have a bunch of people all of a sudden that have unsubscribed to their channels. That's just wrong, but it is what it is. We can't control how other people are. So the next thing is the Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil in Dragon Fruit. It retails for $15. It is full size. It is a lip oil. Thirsty lip season, aka winter, is upon us. Don't worry though, this lip oil will help you get hydrated as the temps drop. Like a glass of water for your lips, it locks in moisture with jojoba, hazel, and sunflower seed oils. Just glide it over your lips wherever, whenever. It is dermatologist tested, vegan, and cruelty free. And it looks like this. It's pretty packaging. It has a really big doe foot. I am running out of room. I was going to say, I think it's pretty clear. It just has a very soft hint of the color, but I will still use that. I cannot stand dry lips, so I'm always glad to get something for the lips. I am super picky about I cannot stand dry lips. I cannot stand dry hands. So the next product is, it was one that I chose. I wasn't really completely happy with any of the choices, but I'm okay with them. This is the Laura Geller Quench and Tint Hydrating Foundation in medium. This retails for $34. It is a full size. It is a tinted moisturizer. Think of it as a moisturizer meets foundation. This intensely hydrating formula, it's infused with hyaluronic acid, is a refreshing as a splash of water and leaves skin with an even natural glow. So it looks like this. I do like Laura Geller products. It does have a safety seal. I will try this one day soon and give my opinion. I like to try these. I have got to remember to wash all these swatches off, so I have some more left on my hands. I'm trying to do, I think I've got 3 videos so far, so I mean that gives you a little bit of an idea. I will try it on my actually on my face soon. I'm trying to get enough videos to put them up daily till Monday so that I can know that I have one every day until Monday when I can sit down and make some more. I actually do have some other ones, makeup ones, that I need to edit and stuff, but I've got 3. So the Cover FX was also one that I chose. It's a shimmer veil in Celestial. I actually like the Cover FX things, and this is actually one of the colors I had been wanting, but I think it was BoxyCharm had them on, was it the pop-up, I think, one of them, and the pink, the one that's the pink color, was all sold out, so I didn't get to get it. But let's see if you can see the shine. It does have a nice little doe foot on it. This retails for $28. Let's see if I can get it there. It's a little bit of shine there. It says it's an eyeshadow gel. Let's see what it does. Get glowing wherever, whenever with this luminizing multi-use cream shimmer. The glistening pearl shade looks gorgeous on every skin tone, and the weightless texture won't crease, cake, transfer, or smear throughout the day. It's vegan and cruelty free. It says Cover FX was founded on the belief that people can have both clean ingredients and high performance in one brand. Alrighty, that is good to know. I did not know. I know I like Cover FX, but I did not know that. And then the next one is the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara in Just Black. I'm not going to open this just yet. I'm going to wait until I'm ready to do a review on it so I can show it to you then to make sure that it stays good. That is what it looks like. This retails for $19. The fastest way to give your lashes length, definition, and volume. This smear-proof jet black mascara. How to use: wiggle the wand from lash roots to tips, then apply second coat. It's cruelty-free and paraben-free. About the brand: this line of tried and true beauty essentials is made with good-for-you ingredients that enhance your skin's natural glow. And then let's see, no.
I love you, Mama.
These are the 2, I love you, baby. These are the 2 I added on for the $3. This is the Raw Sugar Living Lip Balm in Pineapple. I added this on for $3, and it looks like just like a lip balm. I don't know what that smells like. It doesn't really smell like coconut to me.
I got this brand new hat.
And then I added the
Somebody bought me.
I added the Naked Cosmetics Lip Scrub in Vanilla Cream. That was also $3. So those were my add-ons. And that is what came in my Ipsy Plus. Like I said, leave me comment. I will pick the winner of this one from this. I'm not sure how long I'm going to leave it open right now because I did not plan on starting a giveaway, but I did know I was going to do this give this one away, but I've got to figure out what I'm going to add with this one. So leave me a comment. I'm trying to think of maybe leave me a certain word or something.
By the way, guys,
just a minute, baby.
and leave a like.
I'm trying to think of a word or something to let me know you watched it. Maybe, let's see what's on here. Maybe add eyeshadow. I don't know. Put eyeshadow in somewhere in your comment, and that's what I saw somebody else do, where you can actually put in a word and it will go through and pick out the people who left that word and pick a winner. So leave the word eyeshadow somewhere in your comment, and it'll probably be 2 or 3 weeks at least before I pick out the winner, but I know most people say if you don't contact them within 24 hours that they'll go to the next winner. I really don't want to do that. I will do everything in my power to contact you. If you don't see this, I will look for you on wherever. I'll look for you, and I will try my best to find you to let you know that you won this. I won't just say, hey, you won this, contact me in 24 hours. I'm not down on people who do that. That is other people's way of doing it. I just really want to give the winner every chance to contact me, and I know sometimes people get off and they don't, life happens, and sometimes people don't have a chance to get on social media for a couple of days, and it doesn't seem quite fair to me that to go on to the next person. So I will do everything I can to contact the winner, and I think that is it. Leave the word eyeshadow in your comment, and I love you guys. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.